안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make Korean noodles in chicken broth, 닭칼국수. The name kalguksu comes from the shape of the knife-cut noodles made from thinly kneaded wheat dough. And kalguksu is boiled in broth, so the broth is pretty thick. I'm going to make the broth using chicken because I need some protein. You can make the broth using anchovy or clam as well. It's your choice. Okay, then let's set the table. First, wash the chicken and put it in a pot with the green onion and 5 cloves garlic. Pour water and simmer with the lid on for 20 minutes over high heat. During the time, slice the zucchini and onion. When the chicken is cooked well, remove the chicken and reserve the broth. Once the chicken is cool enough, shred into small pieces. And then season with salt and pepper. Next, remove the fat from the broth and strain. In a large pot, pour the broth and bring to boil. And add the noodles. When you add noodles, shake off any excess flour from the noodles to prevent the broth from becoming too thick. Stir well and cook for 5 minutes. When the noodles begin to soften, reduce the heat and add the chicken, zucchini, onion, and minced garlic. Season with the salt. Cook for 5 minutes until the noodles are fully cooked and all ingredients are tender. Move them to the plate and sprinkle with roasted seaweed and ground black pepper. Noodles are very tender and the soup has a very deep taste. And this dish contains various nutrients you need for a day: carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. Today I made a 닭칼국수, Korean noodles in chicken broth. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.